Hello, today we'll be making homemade tomato sauce. Stay tuned. So now we're gonna wash the tomatoes, wash them well off the sand, and then we prep them by cutting the stem of the tomato and then cutting them across to make it easy for them to be peeled. Stay tuned. So the tomatoes are ready to be peeled. They were put in the pot with hot water for 10-15 minutes. And voila. So the next step is blending the tomatoes with garlic, oregano, and basil. And then we're gonna boil them next. We'll show you the next step. Stay tuned. So in the pan that we add the sauce, we have put 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we add the sauce that we just blended. And this is gonna boil for 1.5 hours or 2 until it's ready to be put in the jar. Okay? So the pot is ready to put into a boil mode, but you don't put it in high heat. So you need to cook it slow cooking. Stay tuned. So the sauce is almost ready, and I cooked this for 2 hours in slow heat. And after this is all done, you put it in a jar, like a mason jar or any jar, and then flip it over, right? And the sauce is made already. Bon appetit, hope you try it. Hello. So this is the end result of homemade tomato sauce. The process is beautiful and brings the family together because this was a family effort. I hope you guys give it a try with our recipe. Bon appetit!